Okay, good morning everyone. Del cross H equal to J, that is, what is the formula? It is called del cross H equal to J. We discussed that previously. Del cross H equal to J, the curl of magnetic field intensity equal to current density J bar. The magnetic field intensity J bar we obtain. The curl of any vector is a vector. What is meant by curl? Those will be discussed previously. Let us go for some numerical problems. Some numerical problems on curl. After that we go for Maxwell's second law. Okay. After that we go for Maxwell's second law. Now we go for numerical problem. Write the numerical problem. The numerical problem is based on curl. Based on curl, if you do one numerical problem, you can understand. Okay. Okay, write it, the numerical problem. Let us go for that numerical problem and solution on curl del cross H equal to J. A simple problem we will do now. If, write down the problem, if H bar equal to x square ax plus 2yz ay plus minus x square az amperes per meter. The units are amperes per meter. If H bar equal to magnetic field intensity vector is given by x square ax plus 2yz ay plus minus x square az amperes per meter, then the problem on curl is like this. Then find the current density at a bit is 2, 3, 4, at A 2, 3, 4, B bit is R equal to 6, phi equal to 45 degrees, Z equal to 3, R equal to 6, phi equal to 45 degrees, phi equal to 45 degrees, Z equal to 3. Find the current density at these points, and C R equal to 3, small r, theta equal to 60 degrees, phi equal to 90 degrees. All Cartesian, it is a Cartesian coordinate system, it is spherical coordinate system, it is cylindrical coordinate system. R, phi, Z is the cylindrical coordinate system, and this one is spherical coordinate system. This was asked for 10 marks in previously 2016. This problem was asked based on current density del cross H equal to J, that is also called as point form of Ampere circuital law. Okay, we have to use the formula is del cross H equal to J. The magnetic field intensity they given del cross H equal to J. By using Ampere circuital law in point form, we can find this. Then find the current density J bar. J bar can be calculated by doing the curl of this. We can calculate J bar. First we are using the formula del cross H equal to J. Now we go for solution by using del cross H equal to J. By using this formula, we can go for solution. Find out this. Anybody knows? In the form of determinant, we can write the solution will begins now. Solution for that, a bit is at a equal to x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. At this position we have to calculate what is current density. A magnetic field intensity already given. The solution is del cross H equal to J. We want current density vector. Del cross H equal to, how can we write in matrix form? In determinant form, previously we drawn Ax, Ay, Az are the unit vectors. First write the determinant form. Dou by dou x, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. After that, what we have to write? Previously what here we explained, ఈ ప్లస్లో ఏముంటుంది? hx, hy, hz. hx, hy, hz. These are called, this is known as del. Del means partial differentiation, and this is known as h bar. Okay, this is known as h bar. hx is 2, 3, 4. hx is 2, hy is 3, hz is 4. According to the equation what we written, h bar equal to x square ax, it is known as x square, it is known as hx, plus 2yz ay, this is known as hy, we can substitute here. And similarly hz is minus x square plus minus x square az, this is known as hz. We have to substitute this, all this. Okay, according to h bar we have to substitute this. That is x square. X square is known as hx. In place of hx we can substitute x square. In place of hx we can substitute x square. We can substitute x square. Hy, in place of hy we can substitute 2yz. 2yz is known as hy. We can substitute that. hy place lo em substitute cheyochu? hy place lo 2yz we can substitute. 2yz. Not only these problems, you can go for any numerical problem. If you know the basics, then you can understand. hz place lo em substitute cheyochu? Minus x square substitute cheyochu. Minus x square, we can substitute minus x square. Write the determinant like this. First we have to draw determinant, we have to write the determinant. After that we can find the magnitude of determinant, that is j bar, we can calculate. It is del, it is h bar. Now find the magnitude. How to find? First we have to consider this one, and remaining this column and this row will be strike out, and do the cross product of this and this. Ax into dou by dou y of minus x square minus ad minus bc. Assume that it is abcd, ad minus bc we have to do. That is for determinant. The same thing we have to do. Go for that. Now we are doing determinant form. After that what we have to do? ad minus, first we have to write ax into this cross product ad minus bc minus after that we have to consider this column and this row, and we have to do cross multiplication of this and this, that is minus ay into dou by dou x minus x square minus dou by dou z x square, plus after that we have to consider this column and this row strike out, this we have to multiply. Okay, that is the method of doing resolving the determinant. Now go for that. That equal to, we can write that equal to ax into dou by dou y of minus x square minus dou by dou z of 2yz. ఓకే 2yz. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఎలాగ అనుకుంటారు? ఫస్ట్ ఏఎక్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ వి డిడ్, మైనస్ ఏవై ఇంటూ డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ అగైన్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ డో బై డో జెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, డో బై డో జెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ విల్ గెట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు డిటర్మినెంట్ ఏఐజే ఫార్ములా వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఏఐజే ఫార్ములా ఇన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఆర్ యు థరో విత్ ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్? It is minus, here it is plus az into dou by dou x of 2yz minus dou by dou y of x square, dou by dou y of x square, close the bracket. This we have to calculate. Find out this. Dou by dou y of x square is డో బై డో వై ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ వై టర్మ్ లేదు కదా కాబట్టి జీరో అయిపోతుంది, మైనస్ జీరో మైనస్ ఇక్కడ డో బై డో జెడ్ 2y బికమ్స్ జీరో, జెడ్ బికమ్స్ 1 కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది 2y అవుతుంది, అంటే జీరో మైనస్ 2y. వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జీరో మైనస్ డో బై డో జెడ్, జెడ్ టర్మ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ జెడ్ ఉంది, అంటే వీఆర్ డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు జెడ్. హెన్స్ జెడ్ డో బై డో జెడ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్, డో బై డో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 కదా. సిమిలర్లీ డో బై డో జెడ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ఈస్ 1, 0 మైనస్ 2y, 1 into 2y. That we have to write. That equal to what we can write? Ax into 0 minus 2y plus minus, now we are writing this a minus ay dou by dou x of x square, dou by dou x of x square is minus 2x minus dou by dou z of x square is 0, ఇక్కడ z టర్మ్ లేదు కదా 0, ప్లస్ az into dou by dou x of 2yz. Here x term with respect to x we are partial differentiation, 2yz is 0 minus 0, dou by dou y of x square also 0, hence we can write like that. We can do, after that do the simplification of this. After doing simplification, what you can get? Minus 2y ax plus 2x ay. You will get like this equation. Therefore current density vector j bar equal to at which point we have to, their point is given, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. At this point we have to calculate. They given x as 2, 3 as y, z as 4. We have to substitute in place of this x, y, z. Now we are substituting that j bar equal to minus 2y plus lem substitute cheyali 3ax plus 2 into x is 2ay, that is 4ay. We will get answer. Therefore j bar equal to minus 6ax plus 4ay amperes per meter square. That is the solution, the current density vector we obtained. Similarly, we have to substitute b equal to b, answer b bit we go for that. Are you understand this? Del cross h equal to j. By determinant form for Cartesian coordinate system we determine this. Similarly, we have to go for another another b bit, that is phi r equal to 6, phi equal to 45 degrees, z equal to 3. Now we go for b bit. B is r equal to 6, phi equal to 45 degrees, z equal to 3. That is the b beta. We have to calculate j bar. Already j bar is obtained in Cartesian coordinate system in equation 1. Previously what we obtained, the equation 1 is minus 6ax, theta equal to phi equal to 45 degrees, z equal to 3. They given. Already we obtained j bar in Cartesian coordinate system as equation, previously what we got, equation minus 6ax plus 4ay plus it is amperes per meter square. This equation we have obtained previously. Already j bar is obtained in Cartesian coordinate system like this. So we can convert given cylindrical coordinate system. It is cylindrical coordinate system can be converted into Cartesian coordinate system. The formula to calculate, it is very important. X equal to r cos phi. That is the Cartesian cylindrical coordinate system to Cartesian coordinate system. How to convert? The formula is x equal to r cos phi. This formula we have to use. X equal to r cos phi. X, y, z we have to calculate. Given that it is cylindrical coordinate system, we can convert cylindrical coordinate system into Cartesian by using one of the formula is x equal to r cos phi. X equal to r cos phi. R is 6, cos of phi is 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. Hence the answer is 4.24. What is the answer? 4.246. Similarly, y equal to r sin phi. Y equal to r sin phi, 6 sin 45 degrees, that equal to 4.2426. Again same answer will come because sin 45 equal to cos 45. And z equal to 3. Z equal to 3 అని ఇచ్చారు కదా, అది సేమ్ అలాగే డైరెక్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, therefore we can substitute these equations, that is 4.246 z equal to 3. Now x, y, z, x equal to 4.26, y equal to 4.24, z equal to 3. Similarly previously what we did, same we can substitute in place of x, in place of y, in place of z. 6ax plus 4ay we got previously. Previous equation is j bar, answer is this one. But previously equation 1 is j bar equal to minus 2y ax plus 2x ay. This is the equation 1 previously. Assume that. ఇది రాయలేదు ముందు మీరు. ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. జే బార్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి? వై ప్లస్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. జెడ్ లేదు కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ వై ప్లస్లో ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి? 4.246 we have to substitute in place of y. ax plus 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో సేమ్ 4.246. 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో 4.246 ay. ఓకే, బై సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్ z ఈక్వల్ టు 3 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ z టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి we can write directly. The answer is minus 8.4852 ax plus 8.4852 ay. 8.4852 ax, 8.4852 4852 AY amperes per meter square. This is the answer for B bit. Similarly, C bit we have to do. The C bit is, we go for C now. C bit, R equal to 3, theta equal to 60 degrees, theta equal to 60 degrees, phi equal to 90 degrees. How to, this is the spherical coordinate system. We can, given coordinate system is spherical, we have to convert into Cartesian coordinate system. X equal to r sin theta cos phi. The conversion formula, it we have to, this one we have to remember carefully. X equal to r sin theta cos phi. X equal to, y equal to, another formula is r sin theta sin phi. The formula, these three formulas we have to remember. Previously also we have to remember. Y equal to r sin phi, sin theta sin phi. It is sin theta sin phi. Z equal to r cos theta. These three formulas we have to remember carefully. These three formulas to convert spherical coordinate system to Cartesian XYZ Cartesian coordinate system. These are the formulas we have to remember. And take the screenshot of this, the formulas: r sin theta cos phi, r sin theta sin phi, r cos theta. Substitute the formulas. R equal to sin theta cos phi we can write. Now we substituted r equal to 3, theta equal to 60 degrees, theta equal to 90 degrees. In these equations, 3 sin 60 cos 90. Next r sin theta sin phi, 3 sin 60 sin 90. Z equal to r cos theta, 3 cos 60 degrees. After substituting this, what is the answers you will get? The answers you get is sin 60 cos 90. Cos 90 is 0, entire term becomes 0. This is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 you can get. And y equal to 2.598. By doing calculation of this, 2.598. Z equal to 1.5. Okay. After getting all this, we can easily substitute in equation 1. We are substituting now in equation 1. The equation J bar, the equation 1 is minus 2yx plus 2xay. Now using equation 1, substitute all x, y, z. In place of y you can substitute 2.598 minus 2 into 2.598 ax. In place of x again, in place of y, in place of x is 0. The s term is 0. 2 into 0 ay. This becomes 0. Finally answer is minus 5.196 ax amperes per meter square. Amperes per meter square it is. In this way we have to do numerical problems on curl del cross H equal to J. Okay, next we go for Maxwell's second law.